kings and queens. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy penne pasta and vegetable bowl. These are my ingredients. My penne pasta, I'm using the Tricolor pasta. I have some yellow squash here, white onions, cherry tomatoes, spinach, some minced garlic, crushed red peppers, and salt to taste. Now guys, I'm going to use this seasoning, and it has sea salt with fresh herbs like rosemary, and it has garlic and sage and black pepper. Okay, and I'm also going to be using olive oil. If I add anything else, I will let you know. So my pasta water is boiling up. I've already added some salt, and I've added some olive oil, which will, help the pasta not to stick. Now I'm only going to cook it for 5 minutes because I'm going to cook it again. I'm going to saute it with my vegetables. So I don't want it to be overcooked. So 5 minutes. So I'm going to stir it very well. Wow, look how pretty that looks. I love the different colors. Okay, so we'll let this cook for 5 minutes. Alrighty, stay tuned. Okay guys, so my pasta is cooked, and while it's draining, we're going to go ahead and get the veggies going. So I'm going in with 1/4 cup of olive oil. Guys, I'm going to add my onions. So I add my onions. Now I'm adding the garlic. And I'm going to let this cook together for like 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so things is looking good. Now I'm going to add my squash. I'm also going to add my tomatoes. And I'm going to give this a stir and let everybody get to know each other. And I'm going to cover it for like 3 minutes. Okay guys, until the tomatoes start to release the juices and the squash is a little tender. Okay, so check it out. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see this? Looks good. Alright, my stove is on medium heat. I'm just going to turn it down a notch. Looking good. Now I'm going to add, see this seasoning? I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. Okay. And I'm going to add my red pepper flakes. Give it a stir. You can add salt if you want, but I'm not adding any salt because this season already have sea salt in it. Now I'm going to add my pasta. I'm going to add this seasoning. It's a salt-free seasoning. Can you see it? I picked this up at Aldi's, and it has all the herbs in it as well. Black pepper, parsley, all the good stuff. Okay, and just gonna give it a nice stir. Oh wow, look at this. Looking good. while I'm stirring, I'm going to add Mr. Spinach. And this is 3 cups of spinach. It looks like a lot, but as you all know how Mr. Spinach rolls. He looks a lot, but once you get to know him, he's just a little bit. I'm just going to mix to combine. So here it is, guys. It's all completed. My penne and vegetable bowl looks super delicious. I'm going to give it a taste for you guys to see how it is. It's super delicious. Like I said, you guys can add salt if you want, but this one seasoning that I use, it contains salt. Okay, so that's enough for me. So you could add more of it, just be careful, okay? Alright, until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love.